Hi guys, today we will learn how to create an account on tinkercad.com and we'll have some introduction about this online platform which we can use to create electronic circuits, Arduino programming circuits, 3D designs and can learn some block programming as well. So after we open the link www.tinkercad.com, we will have few options here. To create a new account, we will just click on join now. After we click on join now, we will have few other options to create an account. If your school have provided you an account number or some code to join the Tinkercad class, you will click here. Else, to create a personal account, you will click here. Create a personal account. After we go to create a personal account, we have few options. Either you can use a personal email or you can sign in with your Google account or you can sign in with your Apple account. Here we will set up for the personal email. It will ask about your country, your date of birth, then you need to write your account. I will be using my personal account. Then we can put any password we want. Agree to the terms, click here, then create an account. So your account will be created. You can save your password. Then you will receive an email to confirm your account. This one you can either check this box if you want to receive their marketing emails or any promotions or updates, what are the new features of Tinkercad, you can click here. Else you can leave it like this, it's okay. Click on done. Then you can see here, this is some introduction for the students. For the account users, what are the options here? This we can close this. Okay, you can check your inbox whether you have received any email from them to confirm your account. So you will see in your inbox, verify your account, Autodesk account. You need to verify your email. You need to verify your email. Just click here. There will be a link inside the email. Okay, verify email. Then it will verify, yeah, this is your account, done. It will again log into your account. Okay, so on the left side you will have few options here. Either you want to create a 3D designs, you want to create some circuits, or you want to play with the blocks, code blocks to do some programming. Okay, we can click on circuits. So create a new circuit. Okay, just create a new circuit, or you can try. Okay, try circuits which is already on Tinkercad. Create new circuit. So when you create a new circuit, it will automatically give name to your circuit. You can rename it. Okay, on the right panel you will see electronic components, Arduino, even microbit as well, breadboard, power sources, DC motors, sensors, transistors, diodes, and even multimeter as well. These are basic components. If you want to see all the components which are available, they will categorize under general, which have capacitor, resistor, diode, inductor, and even Zener diode as well. Input devices, components like push buttons, potentiometers, switches, sensors like force sensor, ambient sensor, photodiode, IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, PIR sensor, a whole lot of sensors, even keypad also. Output devices like LEDs, display, NeoPixel rings also, different configuration, their strips also, motors, vibration motors, DC motor with encoder, servo motor, and even gear motor as well. Okay, IR remote, LCD, 7 segment display, and these are the power sources: 9-volt battery, 1.5-volt battery, solar cell. So we can use in different projects this one, and different sizes of breadboards and microcontrollers, microbit, Arduino, Atmel Tiny as well, and then microbit with breakout as well. Okay, instruments also available like power supplies, multimeter, function generator, oscilloscope. These instruments are also available here. ICs to perform digital circuits is also available. Power control components are also available to create the powers. Relay is also available here. Okay, then connectors are also, and logic modules, logical ICs, logic gate ICs to perform digital circuits is also, we can play with them. Okay, this is about for the circuit. So whatever circuit you want to create, you can create here. The coding is available in different format because we have not put any controller. So you can take any controller from here. If we take Arduino, okay, we can create the Arduino. So you will see here the coding is available in blocks. Coding is available in block plus text. Whatever you can do here, it will automatically be converted to C++ code. Then the text is available, and just you want to do C++ and write your code in for Arduino in this panel. Okay, you can export your code also in BRD. This is for the board. If you create the circuits, you can export for Eagle software. Okay, then you can import in Eagle and create PCBs. Create PCB for your circuits also. Okay, you can share with the community. Okay, these are few of the options available. This one is for rotation of the component. This is to delete the components. This one for the undo and redo. Okay, this one is for the nodes. If you want to create any node for here, for this point, okay, you can put node here. Okay, then whichever this one like this to be. Okay, so these are for the color of the wires. These are the types of the wires available: hookup, alligator, automatic, and normal. Normally we use normal wires. In different component, different projects, we use other type of wires also. Okay, this one is for toggle. If you want to see or don't see the nodes, you can just click here. Okay, after you create and program the circuits, you can just simulate them, okay, and share with them, share with the community. This is for the components list. Whatever components you are using for the project, you can just will have all the list of the components here, and then you can download them in CSV format for your Excel or Notepad. You can use this. Okay, this is your account profile. You click on account profile. Okay, you can go back to the main page. Okay, account profile, you want to see what are the profile details. You can add here your picture, your name, your email, which is already be verified, and how you want to use, it's up to you. If you want to a student, just click on student. Little bit about you, you can write little bit about yourself. Okay, so this is some introduction. This was the introduction about Tinkercad, how to create a simple circuits. In our another session, we will see how to do 3D designs also. Thank you.